Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is on how to access your air filter on a Suzuki Burgman 200 2019. So it could be same for other models as well. So all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillips screws. So you need to take them out. Obviously I already took out most of them. And then you take the cover off, and then you've got, which gives you another 4 screws to take out around this filter. So take the last one out of there, and then there you go, access to air filter. So you can clean or replace this filter. This one is for the first service, so it's still brand new. 600-mile service, so there's nothing wrong with that. So I'll just replace all the screws and fittings back to the original.